Welcome to the Discover Blocksmith Distance Learning Challenge, sponsored by PCS Edventures and BlocksmithXR. Connect and collaborate with your students even from a distance in the world of 3D video game coding and design. Design a virtual scene and submit it for a chance to win Discover Blocksmith's computer science curriculum and cool swag. In this game design challenge, as a class, you'll choose to create one of two experiences: dancing robots or bots with jobs. If you choose dancing robots, pick a favorite beat and create a virtual dance floor where each robot will hit the stage and show off their moves. Breakdancing, the moonwalk, the twist, the robot. Craft the most creative experience to share. For bots with jobs, think of ways that robots can be used to help humanity. Design a virtual world experience where each of your robots can demonstrate their job skills together. Ask yourself, who might be struggling with everyday tasks, and how can robots help them? Dog walkers, grocery shoppers, and beyond, let your imagination soar. This contest is open to all new free trial accounts and good through June 15, 2020. There is no cost or purchase necessary at any time to enter. Teachers must register their classrooms with a free trial account to get started. All participants will need an internet connection and a Windows, Mac, or Chromebook device. Experiences can be viewed on the computer itself or through a VR headset if you have one. Schools will have a chance to win Discover Blocksmith licenses, 3 classroom licenses, and 3 camp licenses. Students who win the classroom license will also receive a Discover Blocksmith Distance Learning Challenge contest t-shirt and an exclusive 3D trophy model to use in a future Blocksmith project. Students who win the camp license will also receive trophies. All participating schools will receive a $100 off coupon good for any STEM education purchase at edventures.com. Now, let's have some fun and get collaborating with your class. Will you choose dancing robots or bots with jobs? Teachers, click the button below or check the description to get your school registered to enter the contest.